Okay guys, I finally got Classroom Crusher today at Walmart. It's a nice one in person. There it is. Higher education. Classroom Crusher, guys. Trucks on duty. Look at this. Oh man. Series 44. Cool. Alright, let's unbox this thing now. Ooh, it feels nice too. Look at this, guys. I love the mascots. Sparkle Smash, Megalodon, Zombie, Thunder Road. Look at the flames, though. And the Monster Jam logo with the grill and headlight printing. Pretty cool. The windshield, the flames up here. Look at this side. That's so cool. It's Monster Mutt. Rottweiler? No, it's Monster Mutt. El Toro Loco, Monster Jam logo, Monster Mutt Dalmatian and Dragon, like little kids. And spoiler, it says right here, Classroom Crusher, MonsterJam.com. Pretty cool, guys. Yellow rims and beadlocks, black tires, gray chassis, black roll cage. Also, I'm so happy to own Classroom Crusher in my collection, guys. Got one more truck to go. Peace out, everybody.